Resolution boards.
Sometimes a ballot tabulator is not able to read a ballot, or a ballot may require additional review. This happens for several reasons.
An overvote. The voter filled in more ovals than allowed for in the race. A blank ballot. Sometimes a ballot is clearly blank, but this can also occur if a voter used a pen color other than that the machine scanner can detect. Like a gold color pen. We want to send that out for additional review because if that voter intended to vote for those candidates, we want those to count as intended. A damaged ballot. If the ballot is torn, creased, has extra marks on it, or is otherwise damaged to the point that the scanner can't read it. Or an image unreadable. This means that the machine could not pick up the image. It includes misprinted ballots, which is when the machine is not able to read that coding down the side of the ballot to correctly identify those votes. When any of those situations happens, the machine sorts that ballot into a designated bin on the machine. The election staff operating the machine will print a cover sheet indicating the issue and the affected race and/or ballots in question. It's sent to the resolution board assigned to that specific machine.
These boards consist of 3 election judges with a balance of party affiliations. The team assigns the ballot a resolution number and records it on the log, along with the type of ballot and the time and the reason why it was rejected by the tabulator.
They'll examine the rejected ballot using the form from the tabulator to confirm the reason that it wasn't able to be read and follow a specific set of guidelines provided by the Secretary of State's office to determine whether the voter intent is clear. If the voter's intent is clear, the team will create a duplicate machine-readable ballot. One judge reads the votes on the original ballot, while another judge fills in the duplicate ballot, and the final judge confirms the votes on the duplicate ballot match the voter's intent from the original ballot. So they're working in that team of 3 to read it off, duplicate it, and confirm it matches the original.
All 3 judges are going to initial the bottom of both the original and the duplicate ballot with that accompanying log. If a voter's intent is not clear, such as an overvote, and it was a vote for 2 and they voted for 3 candidates, you could not determine the 2 people that that voter meant to vote for. So that ballot will not be duplicated because the intent could not be determined. All ballots, originals and duplicates, are kept at the resolution board table until regular ballot tabulation has been completed. Then, staff are going to adjust the sort of which bin on the machine they will go into to make sure that the machine will read those ballots as they've either been duplicated or not. In the event of the overvote, we'll want to record the voter's vote in the way that they had intended. The original ballots where voter intent was not clear are run through the machine, allowing blank ballots and overvotes to be recorded. So if a voter did have an overvote or a truly blank ballot, it would reflect that way on our machine totals. This ensures that during the post-election canvass, the number of ballots returned matches the number of ballots which were read by the machine.
The original ballots, duplicate ballots, and resolution logs are sealed and stored for 22 months. They can only be unsealed with a court order.
And, starting in 2021, we started scanning these logs before sealing them in with the original ballots. This was done to provide additional access to those logs for anybody who is interested. Click on our other videos to learn more about how elections work and how your vote is counted and kept secure.